Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are looking at the best beds on Amazon. You guys, this is from ZINUS. It's their Omkaram. I'm not sure how you say it, but it's an upholstered platform bed frame. It has the upholstered headboard with it, and upholstery all around the bed frame, kind of a lower profile. It's got the slats, so it's it does not need a box spring. You can put your mattress right on the slats that come with it. I find that I sleep better that way, and it's supposed to be better for the life of your mattress, so I think those are a really great designed bed. ZINUS, if you guys don't know, they're a great brand, super trusted. They have so many, like a ridiculous amount of 5-star reviews on Amazon across their range of products. They also make mattresses, so if you're in the market, you can get like a nice combo of mattress and bed as well. But two things in particular that I really want to point out about this bed that make it unique. One, this is the best price that I've seen on an upholstered headboard bed frame. Like, it's just incredible that it comes at this price. This is like the price that you would really expect to spend on a lot of just metal bed frames, but this is, you know, upholstered. It's like a real bed. You get the nice headboard. It's all steel interior constructed, plus foam padding, everything just really high quality materials, and it's just an amazing price. So that's the first thing to point out. Second thing, this is like supports higher weights. So most of the beds that I've looked at, especially the kind of platform style with the slats on Amazon, if it's anything over a twin size, it usually only holds up to about 500 pounds. That's pretty much, you know, the standard. You'll see almost every listing. It's like 500 pounds, 500 pounds, 500 pounds. But this bed holds up to 750. So for larger people or for couples or for families or whoever, if you want just bigger and sturdier, this is gonna be your pick. And especially for the price, I just think it's a really, really great option. ZINUS always makes things really easy to put together. You're not gonna need special tools. They put everything like labeled really clearly. You get really clear instructions. You're gonna be able to put it together under an hour, no problem. And ZINUS always offers a really hassle-free 5-year warranty, so you guys can buy with confidence. Yeah, this is a great bed. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be really glad you did.